What's up, guys? Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're doing episode 4 of the Non-Sneakerhead. Picks out some sneakers. This time we have my friend Ken on. Kent has no idea really about sneakers. He's pretty much a Vans only person, so he just kind of sticks to what he knows, and this gets him to branch out. But he actually goes for more something he would buy, so nothing too crazy. Averages around like $300 a sneaker, mostly because one's pretty expensive. But he might have actually picked up 2 already. I know he said he was going to, but we'll see if he does in the future. So it's a pretty long video, longest one so far, but he did go on for I think almost an hour of picking out sneakers. So I had to cut it down to about 16 minutes. So cut a lot of it out, and other than that, there's a ton of video going on, and I've known him for a while. So pretty good conversation, I guess, involved in that too. So sit back, enjoy, and just watch the rest of the video.
So you're just gonna tell me what brand you want to start with, and then we go from there. Pick out your 5 sneakers. You have the highest mark for price though is like $23,000. So if that's what you want to go for it, but you don't have to.
Nah, dude, I'm gonna go for shoes that I actually that I'd actually wear, cause I'm actually just more of a I probably wore Vans my whole entire life, dude.
Have you?
And like DCs and Etnies back then, but like
love some DCs.
Yeah. No, none of this hype shoe stuff. Like I legit know nothing about it.
Yeah, you're not Chris.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely not Chris. I feel like a lot of people are gonna cringe by my picks.
No,
Probably.
it's okay. If you've watched the previous ones, they're never like anything insane. I tell most people to get everything that they would rather like wear than just picking stuff because it's super expensive.
Yeah. I don't know. Let's just scroll down this main page then. Let's see what we're.
And these are releases that are coming out.
Oh wait, that Air Presto actually looks nice.
That
actually looks pretty nice. That's something I feel like I'd wear.
This has Australia on it.
Yeah, I actually like the colorway of that, but obviously, like, it says Australia, and I just feel like if I were to wear that, people are like, "Are you Australian, dude?" Like, nah.
I thought about trying to go for it, but I didn't know if I'd wear too much. I can write it down. I can write any of these down. Like, that's no problem. And then
can we look at other Air Prestos?
Yeah.
Because that's actually something I would definitely
There's some expensive ones. I don't know if you know what Off-White is.
Oh yeah, I've heard about Off-White.
Yeah, so there's the super expensive ones are in there.
Wow. And see, the way I dress, I dress more in an athletic kind of look. I never really do anything special. So yeah. I feel like that's definitely fit the way my outfit go. Definitely I want to look at an olive green, but I don't know if I want a Presto in olive. Actually, yeah, let's look at an olive green one actually, because I have a lot of olive green shirts.
This one?
I think it's like the one on the right. Yeah,
the Legion green.
That's actually something I would like actually wear.
I mean,
yeah, that's definitely we'll definitely add that one to the list because that's a nice looking shoe. I guess that's one shoe down.
Do you want me to go back to the main page?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm really into the Jordan looks. I'm not into like the bulky, high tops kind of look. Something I'd like put on display though. But what's that Jordan 11 retro one? Actually, that looks.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Yeah, I don't really like it. Some people like it, and I thought it was really ugly.
When you zoomed in, when it got zoomed in, I was like, oh, never mind.
Yeah, it's not as good.
I was looking at the Jordan 1 retro high zoom whites,
okay.
And then
those got like super hyped up after the Jordan 1 Dior's came out.
Can we add that to do we have like a maybe list?
Yeah, I mean, I'll write everything down, and then we'll go over it at the end.
Yeah. Let's just add that and see. Like we see towards the end, see what we're doing from there.
Okay. A lot of these are gonna be Nikes and Jordans, just because how it works.
Yeah. What's the can we look at the Ultra Boost?
This one
right there. Yeah.
I love Ultra Boost. I feel like every video everyone goes towards Ultra Boost.
Like I said, I really like the style of. Wait, this one actually looks.
No, I have a pair of these. These are sick. I love them. They're so comfy. So like
they actually look really comfy. Like, is it like a more of like a cloth feel to it?
Yeah, so the tops, I think it's like prime knit or fly knit or whatever, so it's pretty soft on top, and then this whole bottom you can't really tell in this one, but it's like all boost, so it's all just like super comfortable, like foam. I wear mine like every day, and they're really comfy.
I would honestly love to buy a pair of those actually. The only problem is that it's white, and I love white shoes, but the problem is I live in Arizona,
There's
so
a
that
million colorways.
yeah. We can we look at some colorways here?
Yeah. So
Game of Thrones.
I have this one, this one.
Oh wait, look at the click on that.
Which
That
one?
one looks. That one right there. Oh.
I have this one. I bought them for
Let's
like
add that. Let's add that
$100.
to the list.
Okay. I bought these for
But-
like $100, and that's ridiculous that they're going for 300 in size.
Yeah, you can sell yours, dude, but it's probably got beaten up.
Nah. Mine have
I
been
definitely
more,
want to
at
see a
least.
little bit more colorways of this though.
Yeah.
For because I want a lighter colored shoe, but definitely not a white one because those would get destroyed by the Arizona dust.
Like a light gray, like kind of like that.
Yeah, that's actually perfect because I should probably get away from just wearing Vans. Like I literally, my go-to shoe is like the slip-on Vans.
Yeah, these will make. I mean, they're super comfy, so they'll probably like not ruin Vans for you, but you'll be like, man, these are ridiculous.
I've been wanting to buy shoes for years, but I just never knew what shoe I wanted and
Yeah.
what I really wanted to go for. But I feel like those type of shoes will definitely.
You want to find another shoe or stick with Ultra Boost even?
Let's. Can we look at U of A inspired shoes here?
We'll see.
Wildcats.
Let's just
Some
see.
High School Musical stuff. Oh damn! Wait, hold on. Almost 11K for the Arizona State.
Yeah, so
Ultra
they
Boost?
were player edition ones, so only athletes at Arizona State got these. And they were like peak Ultra Boost when Ultra Boosts were super expensive.
Yeah, that actually looks. I actually like the colorway, but like can't go with them because they're Arizona State. I just feel like that's just illegal for me.
Well, if
Can
they're-
we get like a colorway of U of A?
They're like blue and red, right? Navy red. Here we go. This one looks pretty okay.
Oh
for
wait,
that.
I was just about to say, dude, that one looks pretty
That one's pretty good.
nice. All right, let's add that to the list, but I still want to look at the other colorways because like that immediately caught my eye. But
Yeah, you're going with the cheap approach. I'm fine with people
Well-
coming on here and find like the shoes they would actually wear and not just like only
Yeah,
find the
no,
most
like-
expensive ones.
I decided right away that I wanted to come into this video wanting to pick shoes that I'd actually want to wear.
Yeah, my friend Luke. So the one video that's got like 1,300 views for some reason. He basically just picked a bunch of stuff that he would wear, and he's actually bought like 2 of them already.
I'm definitely gonna buy either a Prestos or an Ultra Boost today, dude. Like,
Go for it.
I literally got paid, so I think it's time to buy a new pair of shoes. Do you own a pair of Yeezys?
I do own 2 pair of Yeezys.
How does the comfort?
Super comfortable.
Super comfortable.
Yeah, I would put Ultra Boost more comfortable, just because the toes on the Yeezys like kind of like come more towards the point than the Ultra Boost does, but you
Yeah.
also get them half a size up. They're more like slippers than Ultra Boosts are.
Slip-on kind of shoe.
Yeah, but I mean they're pretty comfortable. Like they have the same. So let me just go to one of these. So like down here is the same material as the Ultra Boost. Like underneath the rubber is a boost.
Right.
That's why they're easy boost. So they're really comfortable. It's just like if you were looking for more athletic kind of shoe, this is more like a lifestyle one.
The gray one.
This one?
Yeah, I think I remember watching a video on when Octa Gaming was still Octa Gaming with where Hex cut Seth's shoe,
Yeah,
Scump
yeah.
shoe. Remember that video?
Yeah. I think he cut like so. Do you want me to write this one down real quick?
Yeah,
Okay.
I like that.
And then I'll show you the one I think because it was like a long time ago, right?
Yeah, it was a while ago. It was like I don't even remember.
It was these ones or the black one. I don't know. I don't remember exactly. I think they looked like this one. But yeah, so like $1,000 if they were the real ones,
Sheesh.
which they weren't. Yeah.
And MDs aren't those similar? I think I remember looking at
Yeah.
because I've always wanted to buy the type of shoe that had that little that look on the side. And I
Mhm.
remember going to like a Dick's Sporting Goods one day and looking at them.
These were like the first ones that Nate Shot was buying a ton of these a long time ago. And this is when they were like pretty expensive because they were like the new thing and really cool. And so I wanted a pair, and I think I went to California once and I got a pair, and those were the first ones that like got me into like sneakers like crazy. But yeah, I mean these are NMDs. Like these are ones that I wanted forever.
Wait, that's actually I would 100% buy those.
Yeah,
It's
these
got the
ones-
blue and red, dude.
Yeah, these ones are
Oh
sick.
my god.
And
Those are
they've
sick.
gone down so much. in the
Carol,
day.
we're adding that to the list. We're adding that to the list
Okay.
because even though it's not completely blue and red. You know, there's like it's got the little accents of
Yeah.
it, but it's also got the black, which will be perfect.
Yeah, they're comfortable too.
And I like the slim look on it.
Yeah, no, I like these. These are ones that I would have bought like a long time ago.
You see, there's like all these shoes I'm looking at now are just like I'd probably wear,
Yeah.
but I'm looking for like everyday shoes. You know?
Okay. Well, these are all like basketball, like performance sneakers.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like, I don't think you'd really wear these too much.
Yeah, that's why I'm just kind of like, yeah, like they look cool.
Yeah.
I'd probably wear them every once in a while, but I'm probably like the most non-sneakerhead
I don't
ever.
know. All my friends, one of the last one, David, when I met him, sophomore year of college, he was wearing these. And I'm just going to call him out for it too. He was wearing these. I think he's wearing these ones. Not these exact ones. I think he had these. Like, these are straight dad shoes.
Dude, look. I think my dad has like a pair similar to
for
that.
sure.
Dude.
Every dad has like 2 pairs. So you have, let me find the exact one.
Like my dad legit has one. I think he definitely has Air Mono. Dude, he has,
ones?
oh my god, bro.
So every dad has a pair of these to keep white and another pair to cut the grass in. It's like a guarantee.
That's so true. My dad has like almost the exact same ones, but I
Yeah.
think the Nike symbol is like smaller than that. But like that's literally almost the exact pair that he has. Like
Yeah.
I could probably go downstairs and literally just like pick it up and like and compare it. Like it's almost the exact same.
These come up every episode, and I don't mean to, but so I don't know if you're the least sneakerhead, because he was wearing these sophomore year, and I guess he was wearing them in high school too. So,
There's no way, dude.
I'm telling you,
Let's go like let's try looking like away from like
the major
big
ones.
the major ones.
Alright.
Let's
So there's another model I like, the 997S, or the 997s look pretty good. Let's see, where's one like these things? It's like this model.
that one looks nice.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a better one. I think this one.
This actually look decent.
Yeah.
Is there, can we look at the more colorways?
Yeah.
All colorways of that?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the second one at the top, definitely I like that.
This one?
I like that.
Do you want me-
Colorway's pretty decent.
You want me to go with that one, or you want to look at the 997S's?
Well, we definitely add that to the list.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the way that one looks for sure, and the colorway's pretty good. It's pretty
Yeah.
decent. Like I would actually wear this, but I just had to find an outfit to go with that.
Nice.
I would actually buy those shoes though, for real.
They're only $340 was the last sale.
That's like the one weird like set of colors,
Mhm.
like the most craziest I'd ever go with colors.
Yeah. This is a collab.
Like they all fit together.
Yeah. No, I like these a lot, actually.
New Balance's game is up there, dude.
Yeah. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's underrated at this point, because people know about it, but like it's nowhere near Nike or Adidas in terms of popularity.
Yeah, what's an off-brand that you like?
I mean, I literally have no off brands, which is kind of sad, because I always like say like, oh, I should get a pair of New Balance, but like New Balance is probably the one that I would buy first.
Yeah, those New Balances that we picked out, it's
Like
definitely gonna make the.
Like the 997S is something I've looked into, and I just like for some reason never pull the trigger on buying them, but I always like them. Like the ones you picked are one of my favorites, actually.
That's like definitely going into the top 5
Okay.
for sure. Yeah, no, I don't.
Nothing. You want to just go through your top
Okay.
5?
Let's go to the top 5.
All right. So the first ones you picked were the Nike Air Presto Legion Greens for $170.
Definitely would probably pick those up because like I said, I have a lot of olive green stuff. I think that's like one of my favorite colors. Is
Mhm.
olive green.
Okay. The next one,
So
we have the Jordan 1 Retro High Zoom White Racer Blue.
that's probably a maybe. Let's
Okay.
look at the other one.
Next one, we got the Ultra Boost 4.0 White Walkers.
That looks pretty dope.
And the next one, we got the Ultra Boost Gray 3.
Yeah, let's add that. That's up there because I like the way it looks. Like see how comfortable it
Mm-hmm.
probably be.
And then the one after that, we got the Air Max 90 Midnight Navy University Red and White.
Maybe.
Okay. And then we got the Yeezy 350 V2 Beluga 2.0.
I would definitely buy that if it wasn't $600. But yes, for sure.
So that's 1 to 5?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we got the Adidas ND XR1. 100%.
Yeah,
And then the
That's-
last
that's
one,
there.
we have.
Yeah, we know that's.
All right, so you did pick your 5. So basically, what you're getting rid of right now, at this point, you are getting rid of these Jordan 1s,
Yeah.
these Ultra Boost, the White Walkers,
Okay.
and then the Air Max 90s.
I think that's pretty accurate.
That's
my
accurate?
decisions.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, so let me just add up these totals real quick. I think you're one of the cheaper ones. Actually, you did have the Belugas, and those are pretty expensive. So
That's
you-
like the only one.
yeah, but everyone else that I have on here picks pretty cheap ones.
That were into high tops and stuff, it'd probably be a bit more expensive.
Yeah. All right, so the first one you have is the Air Presto Legion Green. Then you got the Adidas Ultra Boost Gray 3. Then you got the Easy 350 Beluga 2.0. Then you got the NMD XR1 OG Black. And then the last one you have is the 997S Bodega No Bad Days.
That one's coming in out of nowhere, dude.
Yeah, dude. I like these ones. These ones are great. But that is a total of $1,516.
That's very, very affordable.
Is it?
Yes, I'm not gonna obviously like
Buy all of
buy
them?
all of it, but I'm definitely gonna buy the I think those
The Prestos or the Ultra Boost?
probably the Prestos, either the Ultra Boost. I might experiment more with more colors
Yeah.
on that, but definitely an Ultra Boost type of shoe. Yeah, and then that
This one?
yeah, dude, that
Yeah, these ones are sick.
I like that shoe.
A few years ago, these ones were sick. But
I like that a lot.
it works out better for you. They've gone down a ton. Well, you picked your 5, spent $1,500, so not bad. Much less than the $23,000 of last episode.
Yeah.
Picked some 5 good ones. I mean, all of them are pretty reasonable besides the Belugas, which are $600. But
Yeah.
everything else, I mean, the New Balances are still $340, but that's not terrible.
That's a sleeper shoe right there.
Yeah, that one's pretty nice. I still want that one, but I think in my
I would
size it
want
gets
that for sure too, but
my size it gets
It's
up to
just-
430. So that's why I haven't
that's
bought it.
insane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you for coming on. You're episode 4. You made it.
I made it.
Feel good about
Now
your
it's time
purchases.
for, I'm pretty good. I like my decisions that I chose. I'm definitely gonna pick up a couple of these shoes. Probably one or definitely at least one shoe.
There you go.
Probably today.
Nice.
Um,
Try to look on some of the actual websites and see if they're on there, like Nike or Adidas or like Foot Locker.
yeah.
StockX is having a little bit of problems right now just because there's a lot of inventory and, COVID.
Oh yeah. A lot of things are.
Yeah, but you'll get them eventually if you order them from StockX.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for coming on. Appreciate you taking your time out of your day.
Yeah. No problem. Thank you for having me.
Well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.